Kajela Meghalaya kaya kendu ya kijing kabajur bha ha kabayadai bat kajing pep school Shitengpor kabala kiu stat bha Tnat Pule Puthi kala Shim yaki babun ki Jingpynkylla ban weng ya kani kajing na pedang kisin jam bakong san kalong ban pen ke imbiang yaki residential schools bam shim la trai kamshu bat ban seng yaki school batamai jongka Eklavya model residential schools la ne ki EMRS ki bala khmi lenti banwan ra yaki Jingpynkylla kat kum ka kai phot jongka SDG index jong usnam arja apply arpusau ke Jela Meghalaya kadai ka babun tam ki ba pep school Shitengpor ha ka secondary level ka balong hadu arpaway ponyo na ka shispa but uswapnil timbe director of school education and literacy and state project director Seman ulapan pau ya ka jingduna kalat bandai shaki school kum kaway na kidaw bakong san jong ka jingkiu stat ki ba pep school Shitengpor ban weng ya kani Tnat kala pelet jingmut ban pin ke imbiang ya ki residential school ki ba klem tre kam shu menchwa bat kala thau ya ka seng ban pe halor kani ka jingthmu.
There are 9,000 LP schools. Out of the 14,000 schools in a small state like Meghalaya, 9,000 are LP. If you combine with UP, like 12,000 are elementary schools. Only 1,000 are secondary schools, and only 400 and around 20 are higher secondary schools. So you can see the first problem is access. So for that, we are trying to revive many residential schools which were made earlier but not functional. So we have made a society to look into that. We are also happy to share that the state has received approval for 38 EMRS, which are the Eklavya model residential schools. So those will be a game changer because those are like class 6 to class 12 residential models like JNV. So if they are started in all the blocks, all the children can go there. So that is a big step.